everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I've got my Walmart beauty box. Is this winter or it's not spring? It's not time for spring. It must be the winter box. All I did was take the plastic wrap off the outside. Oh, well, I got something I definitely don't need. See that right now. Walmart beauty box. It's got some of the things that could be in here. So let's just get started. First off, something I don't need. Tampons. Don't need those. I don't have anybody to give those to close by. Yeah. Maybe my sister-in-law. I don't know. All right, I'll pass them on that way. Let's see. If not, maybe my mother-in-law can. She is attending. She's actually going into the church where I am not, so she could set them in the bathroom in the church. Somebody will use those. Next, I got number 7's Advanced Retinol Night Concentrate. Okay. Dog's barking. Sorry. There's a tiny little tube here. It's got Matrexyl 3000 in it. I love Matrexyl. So there we are. I'll put that. I'll throw the box away, and I will put this in our samples. I got the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Day Cream. All right, I'll put that in the samples. What is this? Guilt-free chocolatey vitamins. My Bite. Oh, there's a few in here. So what have we got? Only 25 calories. Multi-hers. And then just plain multi. And then calcium. And then energy. I'll try those out. Sound pretty good. I'll try that. I got Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. Put that in the samples. And then I got a Blemish Custom Patch. Non-medicated, cut to desired shape, protects blemishes from dirt, debris, and infections. Blends in with skin for daytime or nighttime use. Reduces inflammation and redness and gently absorbs impurities. Well, there we go. Yeah, my son rarely gets a blemish. I think I will send this to my sister-in-law for my niece. And if she wants the tampons. They are 100% organic, which is right up her alley. But if she doesn't want them, then the tampons can go to church. That's a sentence. The tampons can go to church. There we go. That's everything in my Walmart box, which is okay. The Bio Oil full size sells for $5.99. The Cetaphil Day Cream, the full size, is $16.97. The number 7 Retinol full size is $34.98. The My Bite Vitamins, a full size 60-day supply, is $11.96. And then the custom patches are $3.50 for 2 patches. And I guess there's 2 in there, so that's a full size product there. And the tampons are $2.98 for an 8-pack. Is that an 8-pack? Yeah, that's full size. So when you look at it that way, there's 2 full-size products. Not bad. Not bad. So that's everything in my Walmart box. I still don't know what season we're supposed to be. Oh, okay. The weather outside is frightful. It's winter. It's the winter box. So there we go. Well, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.